I'm a mother of the mother, then a woman. And when everybody talk about his father, I don't live with man from the day I have that child in my home. And me and my son and my daughter alone. And in the end of the day, it's wrong. And in the can't see no reason to begin right this up. But there's something behind the video that I don't wish to publicize. And I did not know there was something behind the video until we see the have a meeting with him yesterday.
The scoop.
What the woman for do? What should he do now? If she string him up and him up alive, what not gonna say? And that him forget some man too cruel. They are children. All of them are children.
The scoop.
And this is a long story. This phone of a video went and then he's running down with my shade. Just want to check because then shoes when I wear and in belt that never.
The scoop.
Sometimes everything on the blame blood clot motherfucker. Cause people then go to school to meet some of who no crosses them. One never have been a blood clot mother too. And we reason no fun have some crosses one no business with.
Scoop.
Welcome back, besties. So guys, in this video today, I see where Jamaican TikToker Unruly K, she was on her live and she was talking to one of the mothers of one of the little boy who was involved in that viral video going around of them mistreating another little boy that is younger than them. And this mother, she was saying that she herself saw the video and the video was very distasteful. She couldn't even watch the video full. She said she did not raise her kids like this. You understand? So she said that the CDA came in and they recommend therapy and or counseling, I think. Counseling. So she's going to take him to counsel. You understand? What this mother is saying is that there's a backstory to her son acting out. But she did not say what the backstory was. But she said there is indeed a backstory. She even said there was a time when some other bigger boys at the school run down her son with a machete. You understand? Because he was wearing a better belt or a better shoes or Clarks and they weren't. So apparently she has said there's some backstory to what made the child act like this. Unruly K, she's standing with the mother and saying that, look, not every time you can blame a parents for how a child is acting. Because, no matter how good you grow your kids sometimes, when them go to school, them lick head with other kids when they get good upbringing, yeah, and the peer pressure reach them. But to me, she kind of contradict herself because she has said don't blame mothers, yet still she has blamed some mothers for not raising their child good, and then your good child go mix up with them. So therefore, it still come back down to what I said in the first video. Some of the parents them now play them role. So at the end of the day, it still comes down to some of the parents not playing their parental role. You understand? Guys, if you're new here to my channel, you're welcome. You're watching The Scoop with Michelle. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Make we talk about it. Yeah, guys. So I'm going to make you listen to what the mother have to say and to what Kay have to say. At one point, Kay, she was on the phone with the mother. Then she put the mother on speaker. So take a listen, guys.
And no for we pick me wrong. And the lady not up on the phone and act like her pick me right. She keep on and say he was wrong and she can't even watch the video. Here, say it no way you say to me.
It's unacceptable. It's very unacceptable for me. I cannot accept this from none of my kids. You understand? I'm a mother of the mother, then a woman. And when everybody talk about his father, I don't live with man from the day I have that child in my home. And me and my son and my daughter alone. And in the end of the day, it's wrong. And in the can't see no reason to begin right this up. But there's something behind the video that I don't wish to publicize. And meeting with him yesterday. And this is a long story. The school never video went and then he running down with machine. Just him up because I'm shooting him aware and him belt that never got on video. And we go to the parents as a mother and talk to them because we don't want them to pick me and we don't want to put the parents in a problem. Some of we are single mother, some of we can't find to send us together so much to take up problem. You understand what I'm saying? And that is all I have to say about it. I mean, I go to him and I need to show. All I can do, I see counseling for each anger. It is real. I can't watch the video because when we see the first part of the video, the boom, because I am a mother of 4 boys with me. And none of them never get into this yet. And this is coming from bigger child who used to be at the school. And I did not know this until yesterday when he talked to the CDA.
So guys, basically what this mother is saying is that bigger boys in the school was taking disadvantage of her son in the past. And that is what caused his behavior towards this other little boy. And she did not know until her son spoke to the CDA. Jano, we need to do more. The school counselors need to come in and talk to these kids and ensure that none of them portray this kind of behavior in school. And it still come back down to parenting. Because any child that you see in school behaving this way is something that they adapt from somewhere.
So everybody to the video and them are run with it. Let them talk. Let them talk. Because the water... They can't finish. Just finish now. The water are perfect kids. And I can tell you... Okay?
She a vent, make she vent. Because at the end of the day, girl, I don't know how I'm going to do with it though, but I understand your mother feel. I understand what all I know I feel. I understand what the next side of family I feel. It's just a sad situation. It is just sad. And as I say, at the end of the day, nobody know the backstory of what happened.
I agree. They are all kids. They are all children. But at the end of the day, you have to teach your children to take accountability for their actions. And yes, we're listening to what these parents say. And it is a sad situation all over because when you know that you raise a child away and you see them act certain way, you're frightened, you're shocked. You understand? But you cannot blame the parents on the other side for feeling like, oh, they are feeling, because it is not nice to see your child getting mistreated on the media. You never go send your picnic to school if you go turn picnic beating stick. No, I know that you sign up for. So when the other side of parent act out, you can't blame them either. But at the end of the day, they are all children. What do you do in a case like this? How do you go about a case like this? Because the anger in a summer way as parents, when we see something like this happen to our kids, we can't go control ourselves. We can't go maintain ourselves. But at the end of the day, we still have to remember that all of them are children.
When a while ago, when they must say, the woman a lie that she not get her in the right, I wanted them to hear how she sound. She's hurt. She's hurt by all of it. She's a parent. She can't even watch the video. They can't hear the cracking in her voice like, she hurt. But nobody now got in her real life like that them want her to go do for true. And as soon as they refer counseling for him anger management, she didn't deny it. She never said me right. What do they want her to do as a parent? It has nothing, and in most of the time, it have nothing to do with their picnic them or your grow where them a yard can no 99% of we were lock up in a house. Lock up in a house and we parents lock up and so come out we breed. 99% of pastor son turn man. And in that church every Sunday. So let's be real about this. Let's be real about this.
Even though I get what Kaya say, me think she go about this too ignorant. You understand? Because remember, everybody go have them own opinion in okay. And when you watch the video, you know, that video they really get you upset and angry, you know. So me understand how the people in the comment feel. Even though this mother, yeah, she don't sound like a upholding mother or uphold up with foolishness. You understand? But you still have to understand the people them anger when them see them pitney and get mistreated. And you contradict yourself, K, because you are say some people now raise them pitney good, but yet still you are saying no parents' fault. It is not always the parents' fault. But it is still some of the parents' fault. If you don't get what me I say.
Pitney lead Pitney astray. Pitney lead Pitney astray. And this is what is going on. You can't say counseling can't help Nadia. Go counsel your pussy and go stop the mother woman and her Pitney. Because the woman did say no to counseling and only that say she raise a criminal. Hey, me robot somehow on the blood clot on this. What you mean by counsel can't help him? At least CDA come in and say counseling and the mother say yes, send him. What the blood clot to the want her do? She did that when fight happen. If it never leaked on the video, nobody will know about a backstory, this, that. Everybody can get help. All of them are children. The one that we talk out of anger. But when people we don't want to get reasonable about situation, they are all kids. The situation look horrible. But at the end of the day, these are 9, 10, 11, 12-year-old.
Me understand the people in frustration and I understand how the mother feel. And me can only imagine how the mother feel of the little boy where them did a mistreat. This is a sad story all over. I am no counselor, but me can tell you this. A lot of kids, they lost in the garrison. And as me said, the mother, they now play them parental role. No matter what nobody want to say. Yes, sometimes you raise a picnic good and peer pressure reach them. But at the end of the day, you are the parent and you have to put down your foot. You understand? Even though they act one way at home and when they go road, them act a different way. Sometimes if you just pop up at the school as a parent.
The lady attack with pain in her voice. The amount of time she said, okay, this is unacceptable. All of it is. Wanna stop act like something not feel too. Cause enough we have some bad blood man picking what we can't control. So the first step is counseling. So if you might get counseling and counseling now work, you get higher level of blood clot counseling, maybe a boot camp.
Yeah man, counseling, I have to agree with Katie. So counseling is a great idea. Because sometimes the kids them afraid to talk to them parents, you know. They rather talk to a stranger. So I think a professional counselor is the right thing. Because you hear the lady say she never know what happened to her son at school until him talk to the CDA. Until her son talk to the CDA. Because the son not tell him mother nothing. He rather talk to a stranger. So counseling is the right move. Yeah man.
This little boy have a care pain in him. Our son a care pain in him. And that is very natural. That is very natural. When you think pitney have feelings, that's why no one can't tell no pitney so no love them. And when they get blood clot big and start use people girl pitney and start people boy pitney, and you see him one blood clot cassie. Cause you never did sit him one down there, sit him down a day yet and say, son, me love you. You never show him no love and treat him with no love. So you not know how to love nobody and treat them with no love. So I want to know, man. I want to know. When you be reasonable now, man.
You know that me I talk about, K. It all come back down to the parents. Parents now no time for them picnic, they not show them picnic no love. The picnic them a search for love. The picnic them a act out. Them a turn to wrongdoers for show them love. Because for them own parents now no time for them. And that me I talk about. So when you, as the good parents, raise your good picnic at your yard and them go a road now, them ya rugrats when I get no good upbringing, them want take advantage of your good picnic. And that me I talk about, okay? So it all come back down to the parenting. And when we say parenting, we don't mean every parents, because we still have good parents out there. And yes, you can grow your picnic good and then go lick it with bad influence at school and become just like them. It still come back down to parents. Because where them the picnic the parents are do. You understand?
Me love you. You never show him no love and treat him with no love. So you not know how to love nobody and treat them with no love. So I want to know, man. I want to know. When you're going to be reasonable now, man. You come out covering up and done about the place. And then can never sit down and tell you a happy story where they have. How much you can talk on this right now and say, my mother never tell me say she love me. You know go like you don't know some bad mind in a school and envious people. Cause they wake up and then see their mama bad mind in neighbor will feed them. So then come to school with the same blood clot behavior. Your bad mind somebody cause your mother never buy your clocks. Your bad mind somebody cause you don't have no nice bag and you don't have no nice shoes and you don't have no body figure. Cause when your mother busy up, she don't remember say she want wear nice thing but she don't want you wear it. You know be reasonable. All of us know that it is a form of what the child did yesterday. But his mother is here and the authorities get involved and she put him out there to get the help that he can get. Because we all saw how angry that child was. Him need anger management and she's not denying it from him. But you know go like you don't want the woman hang up supposed to do as a mother. Because mothers out here raise them pity right at home. Feed them, clothe them, give them the best of everything and they still grow up and turn bad blood clot, man. From they reach 15 and me friends they start run out and niggle. You know be blood clot reasonable now. Sometimes everything you know for blame blood clot motherfucker. Because Penny then go to school to meet some of who no cross system. Who no never have been a blood clot mother too. And we reason no fun to have some crosses who no business with. All they do is send them to school. Because no want the neighbor would see them and go blood clot school. And not pity where their mother grow them good. Come to school come lick head with fool no crosses them. And fool no crosses them. Influence them. And turn them into some blood clot monster. Because they never know the monstrous life. Hey, we don't get listen to me now. Sean, may I get upset? Me call you back.
Yeah, man, it's okay. She end up in her life because she get frustrated. You understand? Because it's like some people in the comments I say she a pick up for the mother and I pick up for the little boy them when mistreat the other one yesterday. But she has said no. What she has said is that the mother is there and the mother don't agree with nothing what her son do. And her mother agree for the little boy get counseling. So yeah, she did kind of get upset. But she contradict herself at the same time. Because she has said don't blame parents. Yes, she has said some parents now grow them picnic good. So when you as a parents grow your picnic good and send them to school and go lick it with the bad influence them, you understand? Which is basically what I've been saying from my first video about this incident. It's all about parenting. Yeah man, whether you believe it or not, it have everything to do with good and bad parenting. Right there, so let me know in the comment, guys, what you think about what Kay is saying and what the little boy, one of the little boy that was involved in the video, what his mother was saying. Let me know what you think about this story. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for listening. Remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Big up on yourself. Walk good. Spread love. I'm out.
Conley, up to the time, you know.
Put them sing pan leaf, yes me ass. Up to the time, down to the minute. Some boy put them sing pan leaf, yes me ass. Most of them are, them are the girls that like juicy beat. You know me worried. Timeless.